Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Lolly Hair. They did send me this pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut wig. I'll be installing it with y'all, showing y'all how I got this easy, beginner friendly, glueless look, y'all. Yes, I did say glueless. So if y'all are interested in seeing how I got this look, definitely stay tuned. Let's get right into the video.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. We don't really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life. You, I'm trusting you, babe. I want this. I want this to work out so bad, but I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it, yeah. But I'll never fall out of love with you. Choo.
So as you guys seen, this wig is glueless. I did lift it up. It is glueless. As I mentioned, it did come pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut, literally pre-everything, y'all. All I have to do is basically do my baby hairs. When I say this wig is a 10 out of 10, it's definitely a 10 out of 10. It is 20 inches. I wish they would have sent it to me longer, but y'all, overall, I definitely love it. I love wavy, curly hair on my skin. Like, y'all, it's definitely a look. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase if you are interested in shopping with them. Let them know that I did send you. As I mentioned, you can use my discount code for Lolly Hair, y'all. Their Instagram, their website, their WhatsApp, literally everything will be in the description box as well. Definitely go and check them out, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. We at 54K. We on the road to 100K. Y'all already know the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Definitely go check out Lolly Hair.